Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Let's talk about the dollar CAD now. So the dollar CAD has been extremely erratic lately since July. At the end of this month, we could see huge volatility coming from this pair before down to liquidate the stop losses placed here, right, by these dollar bills. For the bear case, a mild retracement could come and then dump in October to retest 1.23. For the bull case, we could see a fake out to the upside to liquidate those longs that were overzealous over here towards the end of last week. But the high form here at 1.29 here is unlikely to be broken. Yeah.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.